What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?
What is pop YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I have my beautiful client Zamadra, who has been on my channel before repping for the 4C girls. So today we're going to be doing 2 feed-in braids on her, and we started with a wash, and I'm going to blow her out using Kenra's Silkening Cream and Paul Mitchell Hot Off the Press for my heat protectant. So you guys may notice that her hair is a lot thinner than it has been in our 2 previous videos, and for those of you guys who know about giving birth, she is experiencing a little bit of postpartum shedding. It's nothing like super bad, but her hair has thinned out a lot, and typically you experience postpartum shedding about 3 months after giving birth, which this is pretty much right on time. The last time I did her hair, she was about a month out of giving birth, and that was a couple months ago, so this is pretty much right around the time when she would start to experience this. So postpartum shedding is typically not permanent, so I hope that you know, within the next couple months she'll thicken back out. But I just started to watch her protein and iron intake, and maybe that can help control it a little bit. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. So I'm really sad, guys, because I would love to do a hair journey with her, but right now it's almost impossible. She lives 2.5 hours away from me, which is how far she drove today to get 2 braids, which is crazy. And she's also a mom of 2 kids under 2. So I know it's just not realistic for us to do it right now, but hopefully when she moves back to the Bay, I can help her better take care of her hair. She has gotten so much better, guys. When she used to come to me, it was just like, girl, what have you been doing? So she's gotten a lot better since I started doing her hair, which is all that I can ask for. And so yeah, I'm just wishing the best for her. So today, to mold her hair, I am using Lock-In, and all of the products that I'm using today will be listed in the description section. You guys can purchase all of these off of Amazon. If you guys purchase through the links that I leave, I do receive a small commission. So thanks so much to everyone who does use the links and supports my channel. So to complete this look today, I used 1 pack of Expressions braiding hair. I used the pre-stretch hair that comes 3 bundles in a pack, and I pretty much use a bundle and a half for each size. If a client wants extended length, then you would need to use a little bit more hair. But my client actually is really short, and even though she wanted them long, she's only like 4 foot something, so I didn't really have to extend them too much to make them really long on her. Also, depending on how thick your client wants their braids to be, then you would need to use a little bit more hair as well. Hers are pretty much like a medium size. They're not super thick, but they're also not super thin. So yeah, we used 1 pack of the Expressions pre-stretch, and also that will be linked in the description section below. So I know you guys read the title and you're like, wait, Pana, we want to know what the best edge control is, and I am going to share that with you at the end of the video when I get to her edges. So let's just go ahead and get through these 2 braids, and then I'm going to share with you guys the best product on the market right now. So yeah, just hang tight.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane, white hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane, white hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love. Like a drive in the sun, windows down, music on. We've got nothing but time. Feel the breeze in my head, baby, we be cruising. Oh, oh, oh. Na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na. Sunshine mixed with a little hurricane, white hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. Yeah, you know all the ways I like it. Yeah, you know how I like it, baby. Got me tangled all up in these sheets. Yeah, holding you, holding me, easy love. Yeah, you and me, yeah. Got me tangled up all in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, yeah. Pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. And your mama like me, look, I squared up with Cupid, told him find me. I stole your love, you shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR, baby, won't you tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you're willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true that...
Alright, so if you guys have really stubborn edges and you guys need an edge control that has a really strong hold and does not leave a white residue, then I have the perfect product for you guys. It is actually my own edge control line. It is called the Dope Collection Edge Control, and it's available for purchase through my Etsy shop. I will make sure I leave a link in the description section for you guys below. Guys, it is super lightweight and has an amazing bomb hold, and I'm not being biased when I say this, guys. I've got nothing but positive feedback since I released it, and it is literally the only edge control product that I am now using. And so I'm gonna do a quick demonstration on each side for you guys. I love when you first apply it that it's super lightweight and super flexible so that you guys can pretty much move and style your edges in any type of way that you want. As time progresses, it will get sticky, and then once it's fully dry, your edges are pretty much molded and they will not move, which also I really love because you can get a nice strong hold for at least 3 to 4 days with this edge control, which I think is super amazing, and you will not get a white buildup or residue. I have tried this product with all of the products that I pretty much use to braid, and I haven't had any issues with white residue, so I'm super impressed about that. But basically you can pretty much form your edges into whatever shape or form you want. You'll start to notice that the product will begin to get sticky, which makes it easier to place the hair right where you want it, and then once it's fully dry, it's going to stay in that hold and in that position. So I'm going to show you guys again on the opposite side of my client's hair, and then I will show you guys the finished look. So this is pretty much what they look like once they're dry. I do also use a little bit just to push her hair back into the braids. And like I said, you won't really experience any white residue by doing that. So that's amazing. And this is what they look like. The product is pretty much almost dry here. To set them, I am going to go in with a hairspray. Today I'm using Sebastian, but typically I would use Got to Be Glued just for an extra hold, and I tie it down. You can honestly skip this step if you want to. I don't know why. I just like to do it. So finishing touches still stay the same, guys. I'm going to be linking a new kettle in my description section because someone let me know that the kettle that I have been linking has a very small opening, and I really didn't know that. So I apologize for anyone who has purchased that kettle, and I am going to be linking a new one in the description section for you guys that you guys can use. I thought that that was the same brand that I used before, so I wasn't aware of that, but it was not. So I do want to sincerely apologize for that. So this is my finished look here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys have tried my edge control, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you guys haven't, then I have a coupon for you guys. It's a 10% coupon code, and it is 4C Girl. I'll make sure I link it in the description section for you guys again, just because I really want you guys to try this product. I know that you guys will love it. I worked really hard creating it, and so I know that this is going to be the perfect product for you guys. So yes, as always, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bells, guys. I'm building a live schedule, but right now they're super random. So if you guys want to tune into that, click the notification bell and hit all so that you guys are notified every single time I post and go live. And as always, I will catch you guys in my next video.
What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?